Welcome. Today in front of me Meizu M5s, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off the silent mode on this device. So first you should go to the settings app, and here tap to the sounds and vibration section. Here we got the silent mode switcher. Just to turn on the silent mode on this device, tap here once on the switcher, and as can you see, our ringtone and notification volume just muted. And if you wanna enable again your disable your silent mode, just tap here again on the switcher, and your notification and ring volume just will set up. As can you see, that's really simple. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.